Each person in the world consumes an average of 1 liter of honey per year. It's not just delicious, but also useful. It helps us fight a cold, but that's not all. We offer unexpected and pleasant ways to use honey. Number 1. To moisturize skin. Apply honey onto a dry skin and leave it for 30 minutes. Then wash it out. This procedure is especially useful after the summer season. Even a food scrub can be prepared with honey. You need 1 glass of honey, 2 glasses of milk, and the juice from 1 orange. Number 2. To recover hair. Add a teaspoon of honey to any ordinary shampoo. Apply the mixture onto your hair and wait for 20 minutes with your head wrapped in a towel. Olive oil can be added for a better effect. Number 3. Dealing with allergies. Consuming locally produced honey reduces seasonal spring allergies. A small amount of pollen in honey helps the body resist allergies in time for the blossoming season. Number 4. Rinsing teeth. Most of mouth rinses have an unpleasant taste, so it's better to prepare one of your own. Honey and mint, for example. You need 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of soda, 4 drops of peppermint essential oil, and 4 drops of lemon oil. This mouthwash not only has a beneficial effect, but also a good flavor. Number 9. Boosting the immune system. Usually one begins to add honey into tea after the symptoms of a cold become evident. But it's much better to do it as a preventive measure. It's enough to start your day with a glass of warm water and a tablespoon of honey. For a greater effect, you can add lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon. This remedy will help protect you against colds. Subscribe to our channel and find out as much information as possible as how to use items on hand for a variety of purposes. Write a comment under the video about what useful properties of common household items you would like to find out about.